Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer tasks with CSV into Jira step by step clearly. Open your CSV file containing the tasks you want to transfer to Jira. Ensure your CSV file is formatted correctly for Jira's import requirements. Log in to your Jira account. Navigate to the project where you want to import the tasks. Click on the Issues tab in the main menu. Select Import Issues from CSV. Choose the CSV file from your computer. Click Next to proceed with the import process. Map the fields in your CSV file to the corresponding fields in Jira. Ensure that each column from your CSV is matched to the correct Jira field. If necessary, create custom field mappings if your CSV contains fields not found in Jira by default. Review the mapping to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied, click Next to continue. Jira will perform a validation check on your CSV data. If there are any errors, Jira will provide feedback on what needs to be fixed. Correct any mistakes in your CSV file and re-upload if needed. If all data is valid, confirm the import by clicking Begin Import. Wait for the import process to complete. After the import is finished, review the imported tasks in your Jira project. Check for any discrepancies or missing information. Make any necessary adjustments to your tasks directly in Jira. Congratulations, your tasks have now been successfully transferred into Jira. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.